Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to join the family or the gang or whatever. But today, as you can tell by the title, I'm just going to be doing my basic everyday makeup tutorial. I know I look jumped right now, I look a mess, but hey, soon I'm going to be looking very much wow. But yeah, so today's notification shoutouts are, if you want to know how to win a notification shout out, all you have to do is comment notification gang in the comment section, and the first 2 people get a shout out on my next video, and I will reply to you and ask you for to DM me on Instagram so I can also give your Instagram a shout out. So yeah, alright, so the first thing that I start off with is my eyebrows. As you can see, I have nothing, they're not filled in or anything. These are my eyebrows, they're so bushy, I need to get them done, but it is what it is. But anyways, I just start off by brushing it with this angled brush with the thingy at the end. I got my brushes from Amazon. I think it was like $20, something like that. But yeah, so I just start by brushing it backwards. I don't brush my eyebrows up. I don't like that. And then I use this Annabelle, I don't even know, from Walmart for my eyebrows. It's not even black, it's like grayish, blackish, but that's my eyebrow color anyways. So I just fill in the ends because, you know, shorty already got some eyebrows. Why so dark? And right here is a scar that I've had since I was like little. I think I got it when I was like, I don't even know, but yes. Push it out some more. But I'm gonna try and make this like a little chit chat video type thing. Anyways, and then I have concealer. I use 2. I have NARS concealer. I don't know what shade this is in, and then I have Allegro Pro. I use this for the bottom and then this for the top. Anyways, then I use my primer, which is Maybelline Baby. Now I move on to my foundation. I use Fenty and I mix it with Maybelline because the Fenty one is a bit too dark. Can I focus? And Maybelline one is a bit too light. And this is 360 Mocha. Schools are opening up and I'm very much not happy with it because I don't know, why can't they just pause it? Like, it's not that serious. It's not like we're gonna die with those corona, but we will die from corona. But no, these school boards are just selfish ass people. I'm doing online school, so like I don't really care because I'm at home. But online school, I procrastinate like there's no tomorrow. Like I procrastinate so much. It's actually bad. It is very, very bad. Like during like when it began, March, April, May, I did not do one assignment. I mean, I did some, but like this year I'll change, most definitely. Watch, it's only gonna be 1-2 weeks, that's it. And after that, nah, let me not jinxing. But yep. So yeah, like I don't understand how the going to school part is gonna work though, because it's like there's gonna be a lot of kids in the school and the mask is supposed to protect. Kids are gonna take their mask off. People are gonna eat with their hands, forget to wash their hands. Like Corona's gonna spread like there's no tomorrow. If it doesn't spread, then somebody's lying to us. Definitely lying to us. But and for little kids, why do little kids have to go to school? They don't even do anything in kindergarten anyway, so it shouldn't really matter. They should just do online, and it's optional for them to wear a mask. Huh. And in America, didn't their cases like go up or something like that? I'm pretty sure their school cases, Corona cases went up when they opened schools. Going a bit crazy over there. But it is what it is, isn't it? But yeah, I'm doing online schooling. Everyone in my house is doing online schooling. I mean, nobody's trying to get Rona anyways. So anyways, I'm gonna let my concealer sit. So while I let it sit, I'm gonna put lashes on. These lashes here, I ordered them from AliExpress. There's this one. I have another pack, but I can't find it. But these are the lashes that I use. If you can see them, yes, they're very, very nice. I love them. I like them. Applying lashes. My ring light just glitched. Scared the fuck out of me. Ghost, show yourself. Show yourself. Joking. Imagine if a ghost lifts up the freaking table. I would run. I'm jumping out the window. Literally jump up. Yay. It did it again. You want me to jump out the window? You think you're... Do it again. Do it. I swear to God. Do it. Stupid witch. It did it. Wow. This ring light is funny. Do it. I dare you. Stupid witch. This is the glue that I'm using. It's the Duo. For extra, I'm gonna fight this light. Swear to God, I'm gonna fight the light. Anyways, so then I take it's so red now. Anyways, I take this beauty blender. This is Elf. I got it from like Walmart. It was like what, $5? This is Urban Decay, right? Yeah. Expensive for no reason. No reason at all. It's like $20 for what? For what? For what? But yeah. Y'all see how nicely the concealer just blended? Beautiful. This is the best concealer I have ever used. It's creamy and it has like a lot of product in it too. It's very thick. I like it. It's easy to blend in. Very much nice. Very much. So yeah, I blend and blend. And Fenty foundation is really good too. Thanks to Rihanna, us dark skinned girls can finally have foundation. Like, if Rihanna would have never done that, none of these other beauty brands would have dropped foundation shades for darker skinned women. No, they wouldn't. Mad. Crazy. It's like we don't exist in this world. Mad. So whenever you see a dark skin or brown skin and her foundation doesn't match her neck, it's because she couldn't find her shade. Allow her. Just allow her, man. It's hard, okay? It's hard. They have shades for all the other people above. But when it comes to dark skin, brown skin people, it's just, you have to order online. You know how hard it is finding your shade through a screen? Very hard. But what's it called? Juvia's Place or Javia? I don't know. Palace Place. Whatever it's called. They have a lot of shades for dark skinned women too. But it's crazy how, like, when you walk into the store, the darkest shade is like mocha. That's like light skin people, like mixed race people, basically. Apparently black people don't exist in this world. We just don't. We just don't wear makeup either. Crazy. But thanks to Rihanna. Alright, I think my lashes are drying. I did it. I'm not trying to put this one on. So now I take my powder. I used to fit me in deeper. Should have probably got it darker, but whatever. And my lashes look. Why does this one look like that? Take my powder. And then pat it on. My camera might die. But I'm gonna come back once it's done. And scene, we're back. I look like those ladies from like the 19-somethings. But anyways, I'm about to take photos later. So the powder has like kind of blended in with my face, but I kind of just brush it. Anyways, I take my highlight. This is a Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Very much great. I recommend it, especially if you have like a darker skin tone. This palette is for you. Like the way it just get it. It like shines and like perfect and amazing on our skin. Beautiful. But I use this. Which one is? I use bronzed. Calm down. I very much use bronze, but yeah. So I do the inner corners, my eyebrows, and then my nose, and then on top of my lip. So let's go. Guys, see how you can see the highlight, and then you just blend it out. I use my hand. I think I fixed it now. Okay. So just blend it. Yeah, and then take your highlight brush. Well, what is it? A fan brush. I put on the back of my hand because I don't want to put too much. And then she just glows there. Wee wee. That is exactly why you put it on your hand first. But yeah, she's very much done, and then you just want to blend it out because it's a bit too much. This side is fine. It's just this one. I don't know why my eyebrows look so bushy. Whatever, I don't really care. Now for my lip combo, I have a new one now. I use the eyebrow thingy. This from Walmart also. And then you take it, put it in the middle. That's all you do. See how nice it is? And then you take lip gloss. This was like $2 from the beauty supply store. See? How very... See, lip gloss is everything. Lip gloss, key, man. Choose some lip gloss. It's like $2.99. Is it lip gloss or lip oil? Whatever. Whatever the heck. And then I take my setting spray. And I just spray it all over. Then I just let it sit. Now I'm gonna open my hair. Oh yeah, also I have a hair page. You should check it out. Support me out, you know. It's not even on. But anyway. So this is an end to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is how I went from looking like this to looking like this. Catfish 101. But yeah, I hope you guys liked that tutorial, and if you want any other makeup tutorials, just let me know. Comment them down below or DM them to me. Also follow my socials, you know, to keep in touch with me and stuff like that. And yeah, also keep subscribing to my channel. I'm almost at 400 subs, so yeah, we're almost there. And yeah, so just like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.